So I've seen a few people that over the last few days have been calling for, $10, $11,000 Bitcoin and 10-cent ADA. And guys, frankly, I just don't see it happening. I really don't think it's going to happen. Yes, when we look at this from a broader, macro standpoint and things outside of crypto, they do play an influence. But I don't think people understand the gravity of what this kind of a move would actually make on the entire crypto market. Never have we been this deep into a market cycle and had this complete multi-year structure breakdown when it comes to BTC. Never has happened before. Never have gone on to create a new low for this market cycle this deep into its structure. Okay, you can look back multiple market cycles. It has never happened, guys. The move that you're talking about would completely invalidate this 4-year market structure that BTC has. Oops, I deleted that. Oops, I'm just doing things now here. Never before have we made a move like that. This would be a catastrophic move for the crypto market. Okay. It could be a wick down. We could end up, instantly moving back up. Right. But I don't think you realize how bad things would have to get. People are talking about, oh yeah, the DXY is moving up. Yeah, I get it. But the DXY doesn't cause a complete fundamental breakdown of market structure. Okay. The US dollar, yes, it is gaining strength compared to some other currencies like the euro and the yen and things of that nature. But you also have to realize, I saw a couple people reference the DXY. That's what I'm talking about, or that's why I'm talking about it. You have to realize too that the US dollar is going to lose strength as BRICS moves towards trade settlements outside of the US dollar, right? If there is more US dollars that are printed, or wow, I can't speak, that are printed, right? The US dollar loses value. That's what the current administration is trying to do. They're trying to print more capital, right? So they're, from a macro standpoint outside of this, okay, if we look at things like inflation, it's flattening. Look at the GDP, it's still strong, right? You would have to have just a completely catastrophic meltdown of the US economy to see BTC break down to these levels, okay? That's why I'm so much against this kind of move when it comes to BTC. I just don't see it happening, guys. Things would have to get so bad. There would be so many people out on the streets. 15-20% of the US population in as far as unemployed numbers. I mean, you're talking a worse recession than 2008. Okay. That's what would cause BTC to get down to these levels. The only chance that we had to get there, guys, was back in 2022. It's likely not happening. As always, this is not financial advice. You guys can trade it how you want. If you want to wait for those numbers, by all means, go ahead, right? The same thing it holds true for ADA, okay? It would need this same kind of move to really push ADA down. And again, a complete market structure breakdown. Again, 10-cent ADA, you're talking below this trend that it's carried out since the height of the bull market cycle, okay? I am far more bullish when it comes to the crypto market. I'm not saying we're just going to instantly move up and to the right, but I think we do carry out essentially this kind of similar structure to what we saw back in 2019? Yeah, 2019. Kind of this slow falling to kind of close out the year before we go on this nice run to the upside. Bitcoin halving is closer than people think, right? There is a lot of capital that's trying to flow into crypto right now. Big, large entities trying to create spot Bitcoin ETFs, large companies that are trying to acquire crypto, right? This wave of mass adoption is going to be big, obviously not just for ADA, but for the crypto market as a whole. And it carries a lot more gravity than I think people understand. Some people just look at, charts and some of the things, some of these indicators and stuff like that. And I think you have to look a little broader. You have to look at where we're at in terms of crypto, how early we are right now. We're starting to get into that wave where really more and more people are interested. Okay. When mass adoption hits, you probably won't see as many pullbacks as we have in the past. And now BTC is a lot more tame. It doesn't make these huge moves to the downside like it used to. Okay. Each subsequent market cycle, it actually reduces the amount of retracement that it's had. Okay. It used to be 90%, it went to 85%. I believe it was 80% this last market cycle. Okay. So it's strengthening over time. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. It's a very good sign for crypto as a whole that BTC is holding up despite some of these black swan events, some of the negativity that we've seen throughout the space. And what you need to realize is that this is a great thing for ADA too. Obviously, ADA is still, new, right? From a standpoint of Cardano itself has never been functioning during a bull market. And I think as we get more adoption in the space and Cardano really begins to get adoption in terms of users and use and stuff like that, ADA itself is going to strengthen. So that's kind of my take on it. If you're waiting for, 10 cents ADA, if you're waiting for $11,000 BTC, by all means, go ahead. I'm not waiting there. I'm dollar cost averaging the whole way. If we do get down to those range, great. I am buying as much as I absolutely can. But in the meantime, I'm not going to hold my breath praying for something that has never happened before to happen. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, but I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.